Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file and they're trying to put rounded corners on this arrow. And at first I was a little bit confused because if we go to view and wireframe, it's not really there. But then I realized they use the arrow tool. So this is a line. So with it selected, you've got to go to object and convert the outline to an object. And then when you do that, you can left click, right click. And then we're just going to do this. We've got nodes here, so I'm going to just select one of them first. I'm going to go to Windows, Dockers, and Corners. And then you can just append, let's say 0.5. I don't have a clue. Too short. Well, let's see how big this thing is. See, it's not very big. See if I can move it. So we can move it so it's a notable. Let's go 0.1. There we go. And then select that one and go 0.1. Now, if you needed a little bit more, let's go 0.15. And then that way they'll meet in the middle, or should. See, that's too big. When if we do this? When if we select both these nodes? Yep, see, it's telling us the radius is too big. So let's go 1.2. Wow. Let's go back to 1. Or no, 0.1. Maybe that's what I did wrong. And you could get rid of those center nodes, quite possibly. I don't know why that didn't. There we go. We'll see if we get rid of these center nodes. Nah, we want it perfect. Let's go 0.11. That's better. Let's go back. Maybe I didn't put in 0.12, 0.13. There we go. No, I didn't do the other one. 0.12. There's one other way we can do this. 0.1, let me make sure I go 0.115. So you just have to kind of play around. That looks pretty good. It's still not perfect, but then you could do this and they'd be the same. Now, the other way we could do this to make it perfectly round is, I don't know how thick he made his lines. That would be a key. But we're going to take the parallel dimension tool and let's go from that node to that node. And see, it's only 1/4 of an inch big. So we could take a ellipse and make it 0.25 with our ratio locked. And then you could go right here and put it, I moved after I set. You should be able to snap right to the center. And then just take your virtual segment delete key and delete those two lines. Then you have a perfect. Of course, we should have made a copy of that. And see, it snaps right to if you have snap to object on, which I do. And really, if you take your Alt key and hold down your Alt key, you can make a straight line. Now, I would strongly suggest filling that in with the Smart Fill tool. And you could either, let's see if we got what our nudge factor is. Let's set our nudge factor on like 1 inch. And then wherever that is, I would, in case you don't want to cut this out, I would delete that line. See, we still have the two circles, so that's why you want to fill it in. And then just nudge it back to where you were, and then at that time, you can have any color you want. And you've got rounded corner. Normally, rounding corners is a lot easier, but since it's such a little aspect, and you know, same thing here, should be the same distance. That looks a lot better than this. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.